What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a roof. So in this exercise, we're going to create a flat roof using the footprint of the exterior walls, and then we're also going to create a sloped roof with an overhang at the entry. So this is where we are going to create our slope roof, this area here. So we're going to put the roof here, and then for the rest of this, so we're going to create a flat roof. Okay, so the first thing that we will be doing, let's create a slope roof. Okay, slope roof here. Okay, so let's go to our 0 to lower parapet floor plan. So let's double click that, and then to create your roof, so it's the same idea as the floor. So make sure it's close, no intersection, and no overlapping for the profile or the boundary of the roof. All right, so the roof tool can be found here on the architecture build panel. You can see here the roof. If you click the drop down arrow, you can see several options in creating your roof by footprint, by extrusion, by face, and then you can also create a soffit, fascia, and gutter as well. So our tool that we will be using here is roof by footprint. Okay, so we're going to click the footprint of our walls here to create the boundary of our roof. All right, so let's click this roof by footprint, and then from the modify create roof footprint contextual tab, so just like the floor, so the default selection here is already selected, boundary line. So let's use pick walls. All right, so for the pick walls, so let's modify or check our options here. So as you can see, there's an overhang here of 600. So you can change this if you want to define the overhang, the distance from the wall. So the default is 600 in this exercise. So I'll be using this. And then since I want to create a slope roof, so I'm gonna make sure that defines slope here is check. Okay, so let's do this one. So I'll just leave the extend to wall core unchecked. All right. So let's hover our pointer to our wall here. So make sure the preview is like that. So don't move your pointer inner like this. So make sure it's outside the exterior wall. So do not click, just hover your pointer and then press the tab once to select the connections. You can actually click it one by one. Click here, click another point, and click. But there's another way, right? Just hover your pointer to highlight the wall and then press tab once. That's it. So once it highlights, you click to place the roof. Okay, and then after that, just select here, modify. All right, so now, so before we finish this one, so let's check out the properties here. So you can specify here the base level. So the base level here is actually placed on 0 to lower parapet. So we are going to change this. So I want to change that to 0.3 upper parapet. So that will gonna be the base level. Okay, and then after that, let us now finish this. So click that, and there you go. So it's now finished. And then after that, let's check out the 3D view. And there you go. So there's now our slope roof. Okay, so now the next thing that we will be doing here is we're going to create a flat roof. Okay, so let's go back to our lower parapet. So this time, for us to be able to see the outline of the lower floor, which is what we are going to use to create the boundary of our roof, let's check the properties here. So one of the property here is underlay. So we are going to specify the underlay here. So currently it's none. So I click the drop down arrow. I'm gonna select here store floor. So I want to see the outline of the 01 store floor floor plan. So let me select this one, and there you go. So there's now the outline of the 01 store floor. So that's our underlay. So we will be using that underlay to create our exterior or to create our flat roof. Okay, so let's do this. So let's go back again to the architecture build panel. So there's the roof. So click roof by footprint. So let's click this one, and then I'll be using the pick walls. And from our options bar, this time we are going to uncheck defines slope because we want a flat roof. And then I do not want to have an overhang of 600, so I just want it 0. Okay. What else? So from the properties, I'm going to specify the base offset from level option here. So I'm going to change that to minus 750. So it will go down minus 750 mm. And then just apply. So that's it. And then let's hover our pointer to the interior side of the wall. Again, do not click, just hover your pointer. So once you see it highlights the wall, press the tab once again. There you go. So it now highlights the connection, and then click to select. And there you have it. Okay. And then after that, just select finish edit mode. There you go. And then let's check it out in the 3D view. So click the 3D and just click outside. So as you can see, we now have our flat roof here. Okay, so we do not want to have a wall extending above the roof, right? So as you can see, we have walls here that extend through the roof. So we are going to modify this. So I'm going to select this flat roof, and then there's an option, oh, not that one. Let me select this. So these are the options if you want to create a point, if you want to split line, or if you want to pick supports and modify the sub-elements of this roof. But what we are going to do is we're going to modify the wall. Okay, so let's click one of the wall, this one, that is extending through the roof. So click that, and then right click. So there's an option here, select all instances, visible in view. So what will happen, it will select all the walls that is visible in this view. So once you do that, there's an option here, modify wall. So we're going to modify the wall. Let's use attach top base. So it attaches the selected walls to model elements such as roofs and floors. Okay, so let's click this, and then let's click the roof. There you go. So what happens is those walls attaches to the bottom of this roof. So let's check that one out. So let me turn on reveal hidden elements, and then let's click the section box. Let's click that arrow up. All right, and then let's close it. I just want to see the lower portion. There you go. So as you can see, our walls are now cleanly aligned to the underside of the roof. So it's not passing or extending through the roof anymore. So it's now cleanly aligned to the underside of the roof. There you have it. So there's your exercise in creating your roof. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.